Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge issued a firm statement on Iran in New Delhi, strongly condemning the targeted assassination of Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei in what he described as a military strike carried out without a formal declaration of war by United States and Israel forces. Kharge underscored that the Indian National Congress clearly rejects the killing of a sitting head of state and extended the party's deepest condolences to Khamenei's family, the people of Iran, and the global Shia community, expressing solidarity as they navigate this grave crisis. In his message on social media platform X, Kharge highlighted that India's foreign policy principles are rooted in the peaceful settlement of dispute through dialogue and respect for international law as outlined in Article 51 of the Constitution of India. He noted that sovereign equality, non-intervention and the promotion of peace are foundational to India's civilisational values. Kharge further referred philosophical and historical pillars of Indian diplomacy, including vasudhaiva, kutumbakam, the world is one family, Mahatma Gandhi's doctrine of non-violence, and Jawaharlal Nehru's policy of non-alignment, stressing that the ongoing conflict in West Asia is opposed to those commitments. He criticized what he called a disturbing revival of regime change doctrines, stating that the use of force to undermine the leadership of a sovereign state, whether in Iran or previously in Venezuela, violates the United Nations Charter, especially Article 2 Section 4 and Article 2 Section 7, which prohibit the use of force against another state's territorial integrity and intervention in domestic affairs. Kharge reiterated that sovereignty is not conditional and that political legitimacy cannot be manufactured through military action. No external power has the authority to engineer regime change or dictate the leadership of another state, calling such action imperialism and incompatible with a genuine rules-based international order.